we really want to highlight this dashboard for the JBBA, which we'll get to in just a moment here. So I think this is really nice. This is something that we feel proud about, and we feel good about, since this is really the first publisher and journal specific dashboard that we've created. And what we've tried to do here is we've tried to come up with a visually pleasing summary of some of the key stats and information related to the JBBA. Sort of most notably and maybe most important is this idea of citations. And Dave set the stage for us in his introduction that what we have here, just at a quick glance, is a more complete view of citations to items related to the Journal of the British Blockchain Association. So the standard is, of course, to collect citations that accrue for individual authors and creators, and to journals and publishers and organizations and so forth. The vast majority of those citations really are just to peer-reviewed, published journal articles, which is fine. I mean, that seems to have served the academic and scientific community fairly well for quite a long time, although there are plenty of people that complain and suggest ways that could be done better. We listen to them, and so what we're trying to do is present a more holistic picture of the types of items that can be cited, and make sure that the folks that created those things get credit. So here, just real quickly, you can see that this 118, this additional citations, these essentially are citations that if someone went out on the web and looked at a lot of sources, they would find these citations. These are the existing citations to the published articles in the Journal of the British Blockchain Association. This received item, this is 7 citations that have been given to authors and to artifacts other than the articles. So this might be data sets and other supporting artifacts that have already been added into the artifacts platform. And then these numbers, of course, are available to share out to other partners, so that everyone out there in the ecosystem can see and start to recognize the credit for the creators of these artifacts. So that's a highlight there, and I think that's really sort of the core of the value proposition of what we're trying to do with artifacts. We have some other basic information about the journal here. We have a couple of nice charts. Each of these charts sort of represents a slightly different view, cutting through the data in the platform, again, related to the journal. So here are some peer review articles. We have other types of articles that are in the journal. Here's a nice view of the country affiliation, which is spread out pretty nicely all around the world: Asia Pacific, Europe, North America. Keywords, unsurprisingly here, blockchain is a particularly popular keyword. Now, this chart here in the lower left is actually slightly different. So the other 3 charts all comprise real data, actually, from information that's been added into the platform through our partnership with JBBA. This chart here is really just sample data, and what we're hoping this is going to be is an enticement for members of the JBBA community to add additional files, that once those files are added to the artifacts platform, which is very easy with just a few clicks, we will then run through and start to update this chart with the actual numbers of things like audio and visual files, research instruments, data sets, and so forth.